Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're excited to see the next installment of I Buy, You Try, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, welcome anyone here from CrazyBeautifulMUA's channel, aka Heather, aka my twin. We jokingly refer to each other as our twins because do we look alike? No. Do we have a ton in common? You bet. We both have beauty YouTube channels. We both love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing beauty purchases, hauls, unboxing videos. I could go on and on. So if anyone isn't aware of who Heather CrazyBeautifulMUA is, she is a lovely, beautiful person. She's a beauty YouTuber, blogger. She has an Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook. Basically, she is a social media beauty queen and is lovely enough to invite me to do these collabs with her. So this will be our fourth installment, and full disclosure, apparently I messed up. I thought we were doing an Ulta haul, and she thought told me, I didn't catch on, that we're doing an Essence haul. So what you watch her unbox, and please go check out her channel and watch her video to see what I got her. I got her a mix of products sold at Ulta. I do believe there were a couple from Essence. Apparently she got me all Essence. It's all good. At the end of the day, it's makeup that's going on her face. All right, let's dive in and see what Heather got me. All right, here is the first item. This is the Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Waterproof Mascara. As you can see, I'm already wearing mascara. However, I always go in after applying my eyeshadow because you always get colors, powders, and I like to do a second coat. Thank you, Heather, for remembering I only wear waterproof mascara. All right, so the next item is this product here, Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder. It's in the shade 02 Sunny. Let me do a swatch. Look how beautiful. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera. There is some nice embossing. There it is right there. That looks like it will bode very nicely on my skin. All right, next item. We have this highlighter, which is the Pure Nude highlighter. I have heard really good things about this. I believe this is a baked highlighter. If I could ever figure out how to open it, I will do a swatch. Oh, there's tape. The bane of my existence. That's what she looks like. And there she is right there. That's beautiful. Here we have a blush product. This is the Mosaic Blush, and I'm pretty certain I got her this exact same blush. I thought it was so beautiful. I love when products have various different colors and you swirl them all together. All right, let's do a swatch. That is a beautiful dusty rose pink, which I know will look great on her and will look good on me. All right, next product. Yes, she knows me. She got me a black eyeliner pen, and it is waterproof. This is what the tip looks like. It seems to be a felt tip. And there is the swatch. Yes, okay. I can't wait to put that on my face because I honestly feel naked without eyeliner. All right, and then the next item. How cute. I love brushes. This here is a bronzer brush, but you know, you can use brushes for whatever you want. I would use this for bronzer, and you could even use it for blush. It is synthetic and is not super loose, not super dense, just the right amount for a contour, blush, or bronzer. Thank you, Heather. All right, next up we have a lip product. This is a bullet lipstick, which is semi-matte, and it's in the shade 15 Charming. All right, that is a beautiful shade. Let me do a swatch. We have a beautiful dusty rose. All right, you know I'm going to put it on a second time when I finish my look, but my lips are dry and I want to get it on my face. Very lovely. All right, and I saved the best for last. And by best, I mean the eyeshadow palette, of course. This here is Out in the Wild. All right, so there are 12 pans. It does come with a mirror, and this is a very lovely soft rose, cool tone shades. All right, let's start with the face products. Take the brush. I know it hasn't been washed, but you know what? I like to live life dangerously and on the edge. This has a lovely scent. I'm like, what am I smelling? Because normally face products don't smell. Well, certain brands might. I think Physicians Formula and maybe Too Faced, but I don't even ask me. It just doesn't smell like nothing or chemically or bad. Maybe coconut or something sweet. I don't know, but I like the scent. All right, I think I went a little ham. Other than my application where I went a little ham, that is a beautiful shade. All right, on to blush. That is beautiful. All right, now on to the highlighter. Not the blingiest, but it is great if you just need a little something something on your cheeks there. All right, I'm going to throw together an eye look. All right, I've zoomed in. That way, if anyone's interested in how I horribly apply my eyeshadow, you can get a up close and personal view. I'm going to put some tunes on and speed through this part, and then I'll come back with the final look.
Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down.
All right, here is the final look. Let me zoom on out so you don't have to be so scared. All right, what are your thoughts? Let me know. Do you enjoy products from Essence? Do you shop Ulta? Do you misread emails like I do? Sorry, Heather. I thought you were just saying Essence was having a sale and that would be one of the items we were getting at Ulta. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. If you haven't checked out CrazyBeautifulMUA's channel, I highly recommend. She is a beautiful, lovely person. She knows makeup inside and out. She is a MUA, so go give her some love on her channel. And thank you, Heather, for continuing to do collabs with me. I am always amazed and thrilled to be partnering with you. Also, don't forget the thumbs up, leave a comment, all of the things that we as YouTubers need to help our channels grow. All right, thanks everyone.